Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. If you're into coding, problem solving, and smart programming tricks, you're in the right place. Subscribe and level up with Code with Ram.
Today we're solving a very popular interview question, valid parentheses. This problem is extremely common in coding interviews and helps you understand stacks deeply. By the end of this video, you will learn three things: the brute force approach, the optimized stack solution, and a very cool ASCII trick. Let's get started. Let's first understand the problem clearly. You are given a string that contains only 6 types of characters: open and close round brackets, open and close curly braces, and open and close square brackets. Your task is to determine whether this string is valid or not. Now, what does valid mean here? A string is considered valid if 3 important conditions are satisfied. First, every opening bracket must be closed by the same type of bracket. That means if you open with a round bracket, you must close with a round bracket. The same applies to curly braces and square brackets. Second, the brackets must be closed in the correct order. This is very important. The most recently opened bracket must be closed first. Third, every closing bracket must have a corresponding opening bracket. So you cannot have a closing bracket without opening it first. Let's take a simple example. If the input is open bracket followed by close bracket, this is valid. If the input contains multiple correct pairs like round brackets, square brackets, and curly braces, and all are properly closed, then it is also valid. But if the order is incorrect, for example, opening a bracket and then closing a different type before closing the first one, then the string becomes invalid. So overall, we need to check both matching type and correct order brackets. This is the core idea of the problem. Our first approach: think like a human cleaning up messy brackets. Just keep finding and deleting matched pairs: open bracket, close bracket, open curly brace, close curly brace, open square bracket, close square bracket, until nothing's left. If the string becomes empty, it was valid. Sounds easy, right? And it works for small inputs. But here's the catch: every dot replace scans a whole string again. 4 long strings. This gets slow, really slow. We'll prove why in the next slide. Time to bring in the hero, the stack. Remember LeetCode? Last in, first out? Perfect for brackets. Here's the plan. See an opener? Push it onto the stack. See a closer? Pop the top. Does it match? If not, invalid.at the end. If stack is empty, valid. Look at the Java code. Clean, logical, and efficient. One pass through the string O-N time. Space, also O-N for the stack. This is a solution you want in an interview. Ready for a pro move? Instead of writing 3 big conditions, use ASCII values. Did you know? Close bracket minus open bracket equals 1. Close square bracket minus open square bracket equals 2. Close curly brace minus open curly brace equals 2. So instead of checking each pair, just compute ch minus top. If it's 1 or 2, match. Replace those 3 lines with: if ch minus top equals 1 and ch minus top equals 2, return false. Cleaner, faster, smarter. Impress your interviewer. Now let's talk about some important interview tips. Landing a job is not just about writing correct code. It is also about how you explain your thinking. First, always start with a stack approach. This shows the interviewer that you know the optimal solution right away. Second, mention the brute force approach if asked. This demonstrates that you understand multiple ways to solve the problem. Third, always talk about time complexity. Explain why your solution is efficient. This shows strong problem-solving skills. Fourth, handle edge cases like an empty string. This proves that you think carefully and write robust code. So remember, it's not just about solving the problem. It's about explaining the how and the why behind your solution. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to support the channel.